Good morning everyone. My name is Ritika Sharma. I am computer teacher in Evan Xavier School. Today I am going to take computer lecture in 8th standard. You all are watching computer textbook PDF in your screen. So this is the cover page of your textbook or the cyber touch, okay, then KIPC publication, okay. Then next, in the next page you all are seeing famous IT personalities or famous technical person, okay, famous technical person of the world, okay. Maybe you all are know these famous personalities or person name, okay. In the next page, this is the course content of your textbook, okay. 10 chapter in your textbook, okay. First chapter is networking concept. So here I will explain you introduction to the network, advantages of networking, components, types of networks, difference between LAN and WAN, and network security. And then second chapter, advanced features of Excel. So in this chapter I will explain you components of charts, types of chart, then creating a chart in Excel, formatting a chart, sorting and filtering data. Maybe you all are know this some features or some topic I have explained you in the previous class. Maybe you all are know the components of chart, types of chart, okay, for how to format the charts, okay. So I will focus on sorting and filtering data in the Excel in this chapter, okay. The next, the third chapter, log on to the MS Access 2010. So here the course content is first types of database, structure of database, Microsoft Access 2010, features of Microsoft Access, then third, then fifth, components of Microsoft Access 2010, creating a blank database, saving a database, closing Access 2010, then opening an existing database. This chapter I have explained you also in the previous class, but in this class this chapter this means Microsoft Access application आपको डिटेल में है, ओके. मे बी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू मैनी टाइम्स 4 ऑब्जेक्ट इन योर एक्सेस, है ना, टेबल, क्वेरी, देन फॉर्म्स एंड रिपोर्ट. सो in this year I will explain you Microsoft Access in detail format, okay. The next chapter is working with the table. So in this chapter I will explain you data types, views of a table, creating a table, entering data in a table, then adding and saying record, then उसके बाद में adding records in a table, sorting data within a table. Then next, fifth chapter, working with queries, defining a query, setting a relationship between tables, creating a query, specifying simple criteria, specifying multiple criteria, forms and report, okay. So in this year I will explain you the MS Access in detail format, okay. डिटेल में मैं आपको MS Access पूरा बताऊंगी, okay. So I will start with the chapter number 3, okay. Bye.